Well, the Ford tractor has been running on 3 cylinders. I had a battery maintainer on it overnight to catch the battery up. So it says it's charged up. So I'll unplug that first. Now I started up, and I think it was the front cylinder that was having the problem. But we will see. In winter, I have to put some gas in it. In winter, I don't even bother trying to start it without a shot of ether. It just starting fluid, lubricated starting fluid. 3 seconds. Screw in the manifold plug. Turn on the gas. Now I think it's the front wire. Maybe it was the back, but I put in a brand new wire on whichever one it was failing. It's got a front distributor. It's a 47 2N. They're quite a nuisance, that front distributor, because the fan belt wants to rub on the wires if you're not careful. And it's plugged into the fan pretty good. I mean, into the distributor. Now let's see. Into the plugs. Looks like it. Anyway, it's still running on 3. Let's see. Windy out here. 33 this morning. January maybe 28th, I think. Choke out. Let's just test it. We'll pull the spark plug wires off and see if it sounds worse or better. So I'll start with the further back plug wire. That's one I replaced. Okay. Let's just see what it sounds like, or if it'll even start. So that one probably is working. I'll put it back on and see if it starts with it on. Well, that wasn't too good. Won't start either way, so that's definitely a good test. I better put some more starting fluid in it and try that again. Let it run a little bit to warm it up. Let's see if that works. There's some sediment in there in the cabinet wall. Maybe the gas tank got a little bit of trouble. Okay, it's warmed up a little bit. I pulled off the back spark plug wire and see if that is the one which I think has been the problem. Once to start. Hey, it's running the same. Definitely the one that's missing. Running the same with it on or off. So this is the wire I replaced. I had a spark plug wire kit that I had to put the end on myself, and it appears that I didn't get it on. I think this end was on and I had to put this end on right on. Well, I'll go do some continuity testing and see if that's a problem. Well, I put a ohm meter on it. It's a resistance wire. Because I have a Pertronix electronic ignition, you don't use straight through wires. You use the resistance ones, resistor ones. But I have to take the distributor cap off. Maybe. Make sure this is in all the way. There. I put in new spark plugs, so I think that's okay. I'll have to pull one out and see for sure. I suppose it could have some flaw in it. These cords are kind of a pain to work on. My Super C, the distributor's out on the side, and the spark plugs are out on the side. This one, everything's under the gas tank. Real pain. Okay. Let's see if it makes a difference after inspecting the wire and replugging them in. My drawbar for the 3-point on the ladle diameter 4. the arms too close together. I'll hook onto the trailer. What I'm bringing along is my chainsaw Steel Bolt 29, bought about somewhere in the early 90s, and the oil and gas and wrenches and pant hook and a splitting maul, as well as a couple of wedges. Head out down the road to or down the field. I think I'll go out on the field and drive over to the woods. We'll go out on the road probably. Tractor running on 3 cylinders again. I don't know. I'll have to take it. Test it. The wire seems to be okay. Maybe the plug or the distributor cap. But since all I want to do today is cut a tree down and use some tractor to get in. Sounds like a John Deere does. Whoop! I'm in the middle of the road here. Really windy out there. near my field. Down there is the tree I picked out and cut. I got a driveway into the field up here. What I'm gonna do. Behind me. But isn't releasing very quickly. There's out on the field. 25 acres out of the 40 acres here that was planted in the prairie last, I believe, July with the oats cover crops. So most of those stems are the oats plant. Got a brush pile. I will probably burn it. Gives pretty good cover in the winter for birds. I was cutting along the fields out here, a bunch of box elders last year. Drug them up here and saw them in the firewood. So all I really want to do today is cut one red pine down and cut it into about maybe 10-foot lengths, and then I'll worry about getting it out after I get it cut down. It's really windy out here, it's cold, considering it's 40 degrees. Amazingly warm for late January. So I got a lot of brush in the way, so I'm going to park the tractor and the trailer. Oh, I think it's plugging up in the gas too. Let's try this. All I want to do is bring my chainsaw down here and the mall, and the pretty windy up in those trees. The wind is the direction I want to drop it towards me here, so let me go over and get set.